I have a package here from Cross the Limits. I'm Nader from FitFrick. I do unsponsored, unbiased reviews, and this package is coming from the UK. This is a store called crossthelimits.co.uk. So for my Britain friends over there, I think you'll be interested in what I have in this package. Now, I believe it is pre-workouts. I don't think it could be anything else, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna unbox this and we're gonna reveal what's inside. And then soon, of course, I will do a review. So, find out. I'm really hoping it's Dexter Halloween edition. I think they have that, but I can see something shiny. I actually don't know what, oh, it's from Koka Labs. Oh, whoa. What is in here? Some shiny labels. Now in the UK, they have some cool looking pre-workouts. Cool, like the labels over there. It looks creative. It doesn't look like your standard American label type of branding. But this is Royale. This one looks like a pre-workout from Koka Labs. Koka, I believe it's saying it right. And this is a DMHA pre-workout. 350 milligrams. I'm definitely gonna have to test this out. I have no idea how this will be. I didn't look at the reviews or anything, but maybe I'll be the first in Canada to review this. And this is Explosion. Explosion is a DMHA pre-workout as well. And also from Koka Labs. This is looking interesting already. And this one has your citrulline, your beta-alanine, agmatine, tyrosine, alpha-GPC. The ingredients overview, it looks like a little bit of a urgency type of pre-workout with DMHA and erythrogenesis, so it could be mood elevating. Oh man, I'm liking this label. Look at this label. Oh yeah, put some respect on that. Nice. Cross the Limits. Thank you for sending me these pre-workouts. This one, 250 milligram caffeine, yohimbine. This one looks like a nice hitter from the looks of it, and it's cherry flavored. We're gonna drink that in a nice cocktail and swirl it around like a wine tasting video. But no, I'm kidding. But this is looking real nice, Oh yeah. I have no idea what to expect from these. I have no idea, but I'm definitely gonna have to review these. Cross the Limits, thank you so much for sending me these. You can find their store over at crossthelimits.co.uk. And of course, my website, fitfrick.com, you can find more reviews. And Cross the Limits, of course, is a trusted store. I do recommend you check them out if you are in the UK. You can find some nice American pre-workouts as well. I know they have Juiced and a few of the Dark Labs pre-workouts, as well as Dexter Halloween. Oh yeah, this is looking nice, real nice. Oh yeah, I can't wait to review these. But yeah, I'm gonna review these and we'll see how it goes. Looks real nice though. Thank you so much again. And of course, my reviews will always be truthful, unbiased. But maybe one day sponsored, but always truthful. Always truthful. Ever since 2013, we've been doing reviews. So I've been exercising since 2004, and since 2007, I've been using pre-workouts. Just a little bit of an introduction to the finale of this video. But thank you so much for making it to this point of the video. I am looking down because the preview of the video is down, but I am excited. This one's a small one, this one's a big one, so I'm gonna definitely try these out. Thank you so much for watching.